To continue again with the stellar types and its evolution in pteridophytes, we will be speaking about a leaf trace and leaf gap in this session. So this is a region of a node. We have a vascular bundle. We have the vascular cylinder in the nodal region. This vascular cylinder in the center, outwardly it will be having like cortical regions. In this vascular cylinder, what we have is leaf gaps as well as leaf traces. Just see the diagrams. This is a leaf gap. This is the region from which the leaf is going to grow in the plants, and this leaf is attached to the stem through these traces called as leaf trace. Now we have the node and internode region present on the stem. From the nodal region, leaf arises. Now in the nodal region, what we have a pith followed by a xylem followed by a phloem. We have pericycle. This is nothing but what? A vascular tissue. Now during the formation of leaf, the small portion of this vascular tissue will be cut. It is going to cut and it is going to form a structure somewhat like this. It is cut. That's the reason the small portion is cut from this entire vascular tissue. That's the reason we are having a structure which is like empty space here. This empty space is nothing but a gap. Gap is formed. That's the reason it is called as a leaf gap. Here is the origin of the leaf, and that leaf is holded to the stem with the help of leaf trace. Now what the leaf trace is going to do, this portion which is cut off from this vascular bundle, it is going to enter this leaf. It is going to enter this leaf and it forms the vascular bundle of this leaf. So this is exactly what a leaf trace and leaf gap is. Now based on the leaf gap and leaf traces, further steel like solenosteel is differentiated. Now there are different types of solenosteel like dictyosteel and polycyclic steel. That is what we will be discussing. Thank you.